YouTube? It's your boy T. Back again today with another beater box, another $800 box like I told y'all I had. From Supremacy, man. We down in the garage, as you can tell, a little home gym set up. If you follow me on IG, you already know I've been trying to get this garage situation together. I started building this little home gym when COVID had hit and all the gyms shut down. Your boy was starving for some kind of weights or something, man. So I've been working on it, trying to get this garage together. And the man cave is just full of kicks right now. So FedEx, not UPS, FedEx just dropped this box off. I figured I'd go ahead and shoot it down here, then take the shoes and put them with the rest of the inventory in the house. But we're gonna jump right in, man. $800 box from Supremacy. The last box was fire. If you guys seen that video, hopefully you did. I'm shooting these videos like super close together, so I honestly don't even know which one I'm gonna upload first. Y'all know me, man. I'm random with it. I don't do YouTube full time, so you never know with me. I know one thing though, if you follow TGOTSOLE for sale, you have a higher chance of copying any of these kicks because they go up on there before YouTube. I always do the story sales, and whatever don't sell in the story sales, then transitions over to the page. Everything on that page is still for sale. So make sure you follow that. Enough rambling, let's see what we got, man. We got a pair of Blazer Mid 77 vintage, size 12, a good old orange Nike box. We got a pair of Blazers, size 12, dead stock, pretty clean, simple, look like white, like a neutral gray colorway. I was gonna open this other garage door too, so I can get a little bit more lighting in, man. Hopefully you guys can see me good, but I figured it'd be a lot of noise or whatever, so. Dead stock pair of Blazers. Looks like everything in this box comes with a box. We got an Air Jordan 1 High Fly Ease out of OG. It got me too, y'all. Size 12. All right. I've never even seen these shoes before. They are dead stock, just like the last pair. These are called the Fly Ease. Jordan 1 Fly Ease. They have a huge strap. You guys already know they look like royal toes, but they have this strap right here. And they have Jordan on the tongue, not the Nike Air, just in case any of you guys care about that. We have the High Fly Ease, size 12. I'm not even going down them, man. You know, you can't be downing what other people like. I'm just a high OG fan myself. If you like lows, I like lows too, but if you like lows, mids, don't let nobody tell you what you can and cannot rock. That's weak. Do what you like to do. Rock what you like to rock. We got a women's Air Jordan 9 Retro, size 6.5. Look like a What the 9 or something just because they mismatch. I don't know what these are. These are women's, size 6.5. They are dead stock. So we pulled out 3 dead stock pairs so far. I don't know what these are. I'm sure I'll have that down below. But as of now, I'm lost. They clean though. I mean, I see why they have women's colorway. Size 6.5. My sister might like these if she watching. She might like them. She been building her sneaker collection up. What's up, sis, if you watching this? We got a Air Max 2 CB94. My size 11. Bro. These are dead stock also. We got 3 pair left. And every shoe I pulled out of here has been brand new. These are fire. I'm not even gonna cap, man. These are fire to me. Charles Barkley CB92s. I'm not keeping them or nothing like that, but these are hard. Dead stock size 11. These is just like OG vibes, bro. These are hard. I don't even have to take too long on this box because I ain't got to pull out 2 pair. Well, so far, these boxes down here look like they in brand new shape too. But I mean, size 7Y, Air Jordan 12. Again, I don't know what these are, but they are a retro 12, size 7. I've never seen these. I don't know what they are. They would look cool on someone's girl's or little girl's foot though. You can't go wrong with a fresh pair of 12s, dead stock. I mean, what? I ain't pulled out no heat, but for the whole box to be dead stock, I mean, that helps out a lot. Because if these shoes were used and this was an $800 box, your boy would be a little worried. Air Jordan 1, mid. I slow it down, man. Y'all keep thinking I'm getting OG highs. I do too, but it ain't happening. We got an 8.5, man. We got a mid 8.5. Dope colorway, just the wrong height. We got a mid. Dead stock, what size did I say? 8.5. This won't last long. These will not last long. Story sale. The key is story sale, man. Hit me up on IG. TGOTSOLE for sale. The other page is just where I be acting like a fake power lifter, but TGOTSOLE for sale, man. Them story sales are key. Follow me there, and this stuff will be on there before it goes on YouTube. I think we got a double up. Size 9. This is the last pair. That's a record. This is the first box I ever had where everything was dead stock in the box. These are the CBs like I just showed you, size 9. Again, still fire. First time I've ever purchased a box. Now you guys know I've got over 100 plus boxes just on YouTube. That's not including the ones I don't put on YouTube. I don't think I've ever had a box where everything was dead stock. I could be mistaken. I've been doing this for like 4 or 5 years, but I think today we just made history. Everything was dead stock, man. This was a fire box. I mean, no heat, but everything dead stock, so I'm sure. I don't even know what this stuff is worth. I'm not even gonna cap. I'm gonna have to do some research, but I mean, with everything being dead stock, it's no work for me at all. Like I said, check out the for sale page on IG. Hopefully you guys see something you like. Hopefully you guys catch it. Like sometimes I do it at random times, and it's just, it might be 10 o'clock at night, might be 3 o'clock in the morning. Like, you never know with me. I just like doing it like that, keep everybody on their toes. But appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE, at TGOTSOLE for sale, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, if you just stumbled up on my video. I kind of like shooting video down here. I feel like I got more space. So I might do some more down here. But I'm out, man. I appreciate y'all watching. And I'm out. I think I got more boxes. I got one more box coming. So yeah, stay tuned. Hit that sub button so you guys can stay posted. Hit the notification bell and all of that stuff so I can stay up. And I think that's it. I'm out. Peace.